All right, so here you can see I've got my information filled out. I've ripped the 2 pages out of the packet so I can now cut them out and put them together. You can see that I have highlighted in some places and I've written in some of the extra information that I was giving in the previous video. So we're going to go ahead and cut out each of these rectangles and I'm going to speed up the video so you can see me do it quickly. When you're done cutting everything out, make sure to take your paper scraps and go throw them in the recycle bin. Now to assemble, we're going to start with our 9th, our last bottom. We're going to put our 9th, then our 8th, then our 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, and then this is our kind of title page or cover page. So then you're going to pick them up upside down. You're going to kind of tap them so that they line up all nice. You can see all these titles line up really nice. Then you're going to use a stapler and staple the top in 2 spots. The next thing you're going to do is put glue on the back, and you're going to glue them into your notes. Here in lesson 4, you'll glue them in to the side right here, so it'll fit nicely, and then you will go watch the video for completing your notes. Good luck with that, and I'll see you in the next video.